This is my husband with Stormo Hardwoods, who went and got my steel for my machine, and he is unloading it. You are ruining my video.
What?
You just ruined my video.
Well, start over.
This is my husband from Stormo Hardwoods, and he picked up my steel for my table, for my son to weld. My daughter just walked away.
Get her. Get her.
No, I'm going to be nice. She can get me back. Very excited. There's this kiln. There's the builder of the table. And we're not even loading it inside because he's going to get working on it so quick.